Knowledge Channel Foundation, in partnership with Metrobank Foundation, actively supports the National Teachers Month Coordinating Council. During its 45th founding anniversary in Taguig City on February 29, 2024, Edric Calma, Vice President and Director of Operations, accepted the Peace Trophy on behalf of KCFI. Honored as one of Metrobank's Foundation's 30 institutional partners, Knowledge Channel Foundation receives the 4th Metrobank Foundation Award for Partner in Empowerment, Advocacy, and Commitment to Excellence. The honorees are given the Kapit Bisig Trophy created by architect Jonathan Dange. This esteemed award is presented every 5 years to exceptional institutions committed to nation building and collaboration.
As an organization dedicated to enhancing education through multimedia resources and capacity building, the Knowledge Channel Foundation's goals resonate with the National Teachers Month Coordinating Council's mission to honor and improve the teaching profession. By showcasing a strong commitment to education, the Metrobank Foundation's role as a national secretariat is crucial in ensuring the effective coordination and execution of National Teachers Month, leveraging its wide experience and network to celebrate and support educators nationwide.